To convert an HEIC file to PDF, an online solution can be utilized. Start by opening a web browser and searching for a conversion website. Once on the website, locate and click the Choose File button to select the desired HEIC file. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to choose your file and click Open. Next, specify the output file format as PDF by clicking the More button. Hovering over the Document section and selecting PDF from the available options. With the PDF format selected, click the Convert button to initiate the conversion process. Once the conversion is complete, the PDF file can be downloaded by clicking the Download button. This process provides a straightforward way to convert HEIC files to PDF.